how to import Excel data files to MATLAB very easily. So this is a file about rainfall accumulation yearly. Here the year, here the station names, different names. So the problem is when you import with the GUI in MATLAB, this text files, text cell arrays will not be imported properly, or sometimes very difficult. But I'll give some easy steps how to handle this data very easily in MATLAB. So start for the MATLAB. First, go to the MATLAB and go to the directory where your data files is there. Here already I have on the directory. So we have to import this file. Double clicking this file will import, but the commands are very easy. Let us consider the data files which we have to import is only this data, not the names or other year or SG names. We want to import only data. That time we have to give the command xls3 the data file name dot extension xlsx. Sometimes some Excel files are XLS, so be careful when you are importing. And if you want the first sheet, suppose here we are seeing in sheet 1 and sheet 2 sheets are there here. So first sheet, if you want to open, then you have to give 1, and after that semicolon. Sorry. So it will take some time according to the size of the file. So let's wait. Okay, we got the data here. So we can see the second column is NaN values because it was cell arrays. Names were there and other headings are omitted. Only the data you can import here. So now we can import also second sheet, like different name you can give. And if you want to merge, so same structure we got. So if you want to merge these two, so this command you can use for matrix operations like this. So see, full 2 sheet in single sheet you can import here. Now the problem is if you want to import the names also, here is a command like this. You can import A will give you only the data, N will give you the sales included the name and heading, and B will give the overall data files. A is your only data, like earlier with the XLS command. Now N is your whatever names and station names or those there, only those names are there only, and V will include all those. The composite data structure you will get here. So this way you can import the data from Excel to MATLAB very easily. Thank you.